So, oh my god, my forehead's so shiny.
It's beautiful.
We have arrived at the airport for the struggle of the day.
When we get here?
We got here at 10 o'clock or like 10:20, and then we thought our flight was at 12:30, and our flight's actually at 1:30. So, we've just been sitting on this windowsill.
It's really good. It's a really good video of the window. Wow.
Oh wow. For the past like 2 hours or hour or something.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go check in, and yeah, we could have got breakfast, we could have slept.
Breakfast and lunch.
Breakfast and lunch. We could have not woken up so early in general.
Lunch.
Anyway, we're here. We're having really bad luck with airports.
Also, it's mostly on us. It's not really luck.
Oh yeah, this is on us this whole time. So I guess it's not luck at all, you're right. Okay, bye.
Adios. Oh, hey! Come on in.
Oh, hey!
This is our Airbnb. Excuse me for being out of breath. The altitude is very high.
Low-key going up the stairs just killed me. It's fine, it's fine.
And in a few days we're climbing a mountain, so... Anyways, take a look around. This is our little intimate, you know, could be a nursery type of place. And it's a very comfy bed. I'm not going to do it because I have pants on. I wouldn't balance in this bed. It's a bed I wouldn't balance on. We have a little bit of storage down here. Some tea. This is good for using our energy.
It's good for altitude sickness.
Altitude sickness, so
that was nice of them to put in here.
Yes, we also have some altitude pills.
Courtesy of our Airbnb.
Yeah,
thank you guys.
We were out prepared. And
shout out, shout out.
So, come on. It's tight squeeze, but you know, we're all friends here. This is our little bathroom.
Petite.
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 And
we have a little fridge.
Little fridge. Our Netflix.
Little TV.
It's always important. Yeah. Thank you for watching. For being a part of this part of our tour of Peru. Machu Picchu, and beautiful. You can see all this view. And right now we're just learning about the ancient Inca Empire and like the terraces and how they cooked food and things like that, and where they stored them in houses like this. How do you feel? I feel, what was it, Mother Earth?
Mother Earth?
Inside of me.
Yes. We found the llamas. He looks dead. Oh, it looks so dead. I hope it's not. I hope it's just asleep. Oh. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Hey.